Ever wondered how to get your hands on artificial intelligence tools without spending a penny? Well, we live in an age where artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's transforming various fields, from healthcare to entertainment and even our day-to-day tasks. The beauty of it all is that some of these powerful AI tools are available for free. Yes, you heard it right, free. Imagine having the power to create, innovate, and transform ideas into reality using AI and all that without any cost attached. In this video, we'll be unwrapping the magic of 10 such AI tools. These tools are not just free, but are also empowering individuals and businesses around the globe. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding developer, or just plain curious about AI, this video is your golden ticket into the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned if you want to know about these amazing free AI tools. First on our list is Google AI Hub, a one-stop solution for AI enthusiasts. This tool is a veritable treasure trove for those looking to delve into the world of artificial intelligence. Google AI Hub's primary feature is its ability to share AI components, making it a collaborative platform like no other. It's not just about sharing though. This tool also provides an avenue for learning and experimenting. You can play around with the components, tweak them, and see the results in real time. It's like having a sandbox for AI, where you can build, break, rebuild, and learn in the process. This is an invaluable resource for students, researchers, and professionals alike looking to expand their knowledge and skills in AI. And the best part? It's absolutely free. Google AI Hub, a perfect place to share, learn, and grow in the AI world without spending a dime. Next up, we have TensorFlow, a product of Google Brain Team. This open-source platform is a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. TensorFlow is not just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem for developing and implementing machine learning models. It's like a playground for your AI projects where you can experiment, innovate, and bring your ideas to life. Originally developed by the researchers and engineers from the Google Brain Team, TensorFlow is designed for high-performance numerical computations. And what's more, it's not just for the tech giants, it's for everyone. From students, researchers, to startups and big corporations, TensorFlow is helping in solving complex numerical problems. The platform supports a wide range of tasks, from developing neural networks to creating your own AI chatbot. It's versatile, user-friendly, and highly efficient. With its robust computational capabilities, TensorFlow is transforming how machine learning tasks are conducted. TensorFlow offers a wide range of possibilities for free. Ever heard of IBM Watson? Yes, that's our third free AI tool. Now, if you're thinking this is just another AI tool, you're in for a surprise. IBM Watson is unlike any other. Its capabilities extend from natural language understanding to machine learning, making it a versatile tool for any tech enthusiast. Imagine having the power to analyze text, to extract metadata such as concepts, entities, keywords, categories, sentiment, and emotion. That's what Watson's natural language understanding does. And it doesn't stop there. The machine learning abilities of Watson are unparalleled. It can build, train, and deploy your models, making the process a breeze. What's more, Watson allows you to automate the AI lifecycle, manage your data in a secure, open, and scalable manner, and provides the tools to build conversational interfaces into any application, device, or channel. IBM Watson, a powerful AI tool that won't cost a penny. Coming up next is Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. This powerful tool allows users to build, train, and deploy machine learning models with ease. With Microsoft Azure, you can create models from scratch or use pre-existing ones, making it an excellent option for both beginners and experienced developers. The platform provides a broad range of machine learning algorithms, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that best suits your project. Training your models is a breeze with Azure's automated machine learning feature, which takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. Once your model is ready, Azure's seamless deployment options make it easy to integrate your machine learning model into applications and services. But the beauty of Microsoft Azure Machine Learning doesn't stop there. It also provides tools for managing and tracking your models, ensuring you can maintain and improve performance over time. Microsoft Azure, a free tool that brings machine learning to your fingertips. Halfway through our list, we have Caffe, an AI framework developed by Berkeley AI Research. This powerful tool is designed for speed and modularity, making it a favorite among deep learning enthusiasts. With Caffe, you can process over 60 million images a day using a single high-end graphics processing unit or GPU. Its impressive speed doesn't compromise its flexibility. Caffe is fully customizable and can be adjusted to suit a variety of deep learning tasks. Whether you're creating convolutional networks for image classification or recurrent networks for sequence data, Caffe has got you covered. Its modularity and speed make Caffe an excellent choice for research experiments and industrial applications in vision, speech, multimedia, and beyond. It's well supported and has a strong user community, which means you can find solutions to your problems and discuss new ideas with fellow users. And the best part, this tool doesn't cost a penny. Caffe, bringing the power of deep learning to your home for free. The next tool on our list is OpenAI Gym. This tool is a fascinating platform that's been designed with a specific focus on the development and comparison of reinforcement learning algorithms. Now, if you're wondering what reinforcement learning is, it's a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by performing certain actions in an environment to achieve maximum reward. OpenAI Gym provides a diverse suite of environments that simulate various real-world scenarios. These environments can range from simple text-based games to more complex 3D simulations, offering a vast playground for your AI agents to learn and grow. What's truly remarkable about OpenAI Gym is that it encourages sharing and collaboration. You can upload your results and compare your algorithm's performance with others. This comparison can lead to more robust and efficient learning models, fostering a community of shared knowledge. OpenAI Gym, a free platform to compare and develop reinforcement learning algorithms. Let's move on to RapidMiner, our seventh free AI tool. RapidMiner is a powerful ally for data science enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's a platform that streamlines data preparation, machine learning, and predictive model deployment, all in one neat package. Data preparation with RapidMiner is a breeze. It simplifies the process of cleaning and formatting data, making it ready for analysis. Next, it offers a suite of machine learning algorithms that make it easier to uncover patterns and insights from your data. Whether you're dealing with regression, classification, or clustering tasks, RapidMiner has got you covered. But what really sets RapidMiner apart is its predictive model deployment capabilities. It allows you to implement your models, test them, and adjust as needed, all within the same environment. No more switching between different platforms or tools. RapidMiner is a comprehensive platform that can truly take your data science journey to another level. It's a fantastic free tool that's worth exploring, especially if you're serious about data science. RapidMiner, a free tool to take your data science journey to another level. Next up is T2T or Tensor 2 Tensor. This fascinating tool is developed by Google Brain team and it's all about flexibility and efficiency. It's a library for training machine learning models in TensorFlow. Now, what sets T2T apart is its ability to create a variety of models with a single standardized set of operations. Imagine you're working with an array of machine learning tasks, each demanding a different model. With T2T, you don't have to learn and implement each model separately. It provides you with a unified framework that can handle sequence-to-sequence models, image classification, language modeling, and much more. Moreover, it's not just about training. T2T also serves your models, making them readily available for predictions. Plus, it's open source, so you can customize it, improve it, and share your contributions with a wider community. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, Tensor 2 Tensor stands as a robust, versatile tool for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. T2T, a free tool to train and serve your ML models. Ninth on our list is Theano. This open-source project, hailing from the University of Montreal, is a Python library that allows you to define, optimize, and evaluate mathematical expressions, including those with multi-dimensional arrays. Theano's unique selling point lies in its ability to take your structures and transform them into very efficient code that integrates with NumPy, efficient native libraries such as BLAS, and native code, C++. This is especially useful for tasks that require extensive computations, such as large-scale computational fluid dynamics or solar radiation simulations. Theano also supports a host of features like tight integration with NumPy. transparent use of a GPU, efficient symbolic differentiation, speed and stability optimizations, and dynamic C code generation. It's a powerful tool that allows you to execute complex mathematical operations with a high level of efficiency. It's like having a super-powered calculator at your fingertips, ready to tackle any mathematical challenge you throw at it. Theano, a free tool that brings mathematical expressions to life. Last but not least, we have AccordNet. This tool is a real game changer for scientific computing. It's a net machine learning framework combined with math libraries, scientific computing libraries, and some general-purpose data processing libraries. Imagine having a vast range of libraries at your fingertips, designed specifically for mathematics, statistics, and machine learning. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for data science. AccordNet offers libraries for a wide variety of computations, from numerical linear algebra to kernel functions and distributions, from statistical data processing to scientific imaging. It's also an excellent tool for developing production-grade computer vision, computer audition, signal processing, and statistics applications. The ease of use and broad functionality make it a go-to tool for developers and researchers alike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started in the field, AccordNet can help you take your scientific computing to the next level. AccordNet, a comprehensive free tool for scientific computing. And there you have it, 10 AI tools that you can use without spending a single penny. From Google's AI Hub, which provides a centralized place for AI developers to build, share, and deploy AI, to TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework that's a favorite among researchers and developers alike. Don't forget IBM's Watson, a powerhouse of AI that offers a suite of pre-trained applications, or Microsoft Azure Machine Learning, a cloud-based predictive analytics service that brings AI to your apps without needing an army of PhDs. We've also talked about Caffe, OpenAI Gym, RapidMiner, Tensor 2 Tensor, and Theano, all of which offer unique features and capabilities to help you in your AI journey. And last but not least, AccordNet, a net machine learning framework, combined with math and scientific computing libraries for net developers. Each of these tools has something unique to offer, and they're all yours to explore at no cost. So go ahead, explore these tools, and let the world of AI unfold before you, all for free.